What we're gonna do is, first thing, when you open your hand wrap roll, is you will see a round thing that's attached to end of your hand wrap, a ring that's gonna go around your thumb. That's to go around your thumb. Now from here, I like to look at my hands like this, like palm facing down. I like to spread my fingers like this, so it will give me a better idea to where I should go. So this is the one that we're gonna do. It's the one that I like to call it closed palm. So first, go around the back of your wrist. Everything's gonna go from the back here. Okay, you're gonna go 3 times. One, two, three, and this should be this wrap here is a little bit elastic, so it will give you a little more firmness when you go around. You can make it loose depending on what you prefer. I like to make it tighter. It gives me better, I feel like it gives me better protection. So from here, tight, right? So what I'm gonna do from here now is to go over my thumb. Look, like I said earlier, everything's gonna go from the back. You don't want to go like this, okay? From your back, from your palm. So what we're gonna do is go in from the back, go around the knuckles. Sorry, go around the thumb here, okay, like so. And then you're gonna go back toward your wrist. So don't go around again, okay? So you're gonna go back toward your wrist right here. As you see how my wrap moved up, okay, that what that's gonna do is it's gonna help you protect your where your wrist joint is, that connects the wrist, so that connects your forearm to your wrist, right? So the joint, that's what we're trying to protect. We're not trying to protect forearm. The purpose for hand wrapping is to protect your wrist and your knuckles. So you go around 1 time. Now from here, okay, I'm gonna make a half X going toward my knuckles, just like this, okay? So from here, I'm gonna go around my knuckles, like I said earlier. Spread your finger a little bit. You know, the downside for doing this is if you wrap it too tight, like this, then you're gonna cut blood circulation. As you see, my fingers are turning pink now, okay? So from here, I go half X, go around my knuckles 3 times. One, two, and three. Now after the third one, like you said earlier, I said make a half X going up this way, going toward your knuckles. Now we're gonna make another half X, or complete the X. If I cross it, I'm gonna be crossing it this way, going around, going toward your wrist, and then around your wrist. Okay, so since this is the open palm, sorry, this is the closed palm, that we don't have to worry so much about what's going to be inside here. So what we're going to do is go now in between your pinky and your ring finger, and from here you're going to bring it straight down toward your wrist, like so. Okay, now you're going to repeat that motion 3 times, going in between each of the fingers. So now we're going to go in between, bring it straight up. You're going to go in between your ring finger and your point and your middle finger, and you're going to bring it straight down. Okay, now from here we're going to go one more time. This time we're going to go in between your middle finger and your pointing finger, like so, and you're going to bring it straight down like this. Okay, so from here, go around the wrist 1 time. Now we're going to make another half X going toward your knuckles. Boom, just like that. Okay, from here, now we're going to go around the knuckles a couple times. It's right here. One. Depending on your wrap, sometimes you can go 3 times depending on your hand size. Okay, and two. Okay, and finishing in toward your wrist, going making half X, going around, and finishing right where your wrist is narrow and small. You don't want to go all the way to the top. What's going to happen is, like when you're training, it's going to slide down and your hand wrap's going to be all loose. So finishing up, going around, boom, and close palm, right? Just like this. It should look nice and neat. So it shouldn't be loose like this. As you can see, this is a loose one. I want to make it nice and tight. Oop, going around. This is your hand wrap. Close palm.